Eternal tankless water heaters were unique appliances that combined innovative design with significant challenges. Understanding these issues is crucial for current owners facing problems with their units. Eternal water heaters featured a unique hybrid design that combined a small storage tank with a heat exchanger. This design aimed to provide continuous hot water with consistent pressure and temperature, eliminating the cold water sandwich effect common in traditional tankless units. In 2014, Eternal water heaters ceased operations in North America, creating significant challenges for existing customers. This closure left owners without manufacturer support, warranty coverage, or readily available replacement parts, making repairs increasingly difficult and expensive. Eternal water heaters are known for several common issues. The E27 error code related to mixing valve failure is one of the most frequently reported problems. This error often indicates broader system issues that can be costly to repair. A critical design flaw in the water pressure switch made these units prone to corrosion and flooding. While a retrofit kit was available to address this issue, many installed units never received this important fix, leaving them vulnerable to failure. Due to the company closure, design flaws, and complexity of these hybrid systems, repairs are often challenging and expensive. With limited parts availability and no manufacturer support, replacement with a modern, supported brand is frequently the most practical solution for owners facing significant issues. Understanding these fundamental issues helps owners make informed decisions about whether to attempt repairs or consider replacement options. When your Eternal tankless water heater isn't working properly, start with these essential checks. First, verify all connections are secure and functioning. Here are the most common issues you might encounter and their solutions. No hot water is often the first sign of trouble. Water temperature issues are also common. Check your temperature settings and ensure adequate gas supply pressure for proper heating. Leaks are serious and require immediate attention. Turn off the water supply immediately and inspect the water pressure switch and heat exchanger for damage. Given the complexity of tankless water heaters and the scarcity of Eternal parts, professional help is often necessary. Licensed plumbers have the expertise to handle gas and electrical components safely. Due to Eternal's closure in 2014 and limited parts availability, replacement is often the most practical solution. Consider these reliable alternative brands that offer better long-term support. Here are trusted brands that offer reliable tankless water heaters with ongoing support, warranty coverage, and readily available parts for maintenance and repairs.